Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dent token. In my previous videos, we have been following another breakout from a down channel. You can see that Dent token has broken out another down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 4 days ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, let me just switch to the daily time frame. And here you can see that after the breakout, the price line has rallied very well, and recently we have broken out another very significant resistance of 0.0015 that was previously working as a very strong resistance here for several days and support here. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that previously it has been working as a resistance here, almost as a resistance here, and support here as well. And recently it was again working as a very strong resistance for several days or weeks, and now it can be flipped into a long-term support for the price line of Dent token. And now another upcoming resistance will be here at $0.0022. That was previously working as support here, and recently here it was working as a resistance. And again, it can work as a very strong resistance. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that in the month of January 2023, we broke out this wedge, and after the breakout, the price line has turned parabolic bullish. And we will also analyze this parabolic bull run as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Ethereum Classic, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared a few days ago on 25th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and then it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Dent token. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it was moving inside this channel since after the month of Feb 2024. You can see that we got rejection here, bounce, rejection, almost had another bounce here, and the bounce, rejection, and finally the price and broke out the resistance of the channel, but for several days it had been rejected by this resistance of $0.001. But finally we broke out this resistance, retested the previous resistance of $0.001 as a support and geared up. And now finally we have also broken out another very significant resistance of $0.0015. That was previously working as a resistance here, and support here, and now it can be flipped into a very long term support for the price line of that token. In fact, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this is a quite long-term support and resistance. Back here in the month of July 2021, it was also working as a support. And for several months, it has been working as a resistance. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong and long-term support for the price line of Dent. Now, the next upcoming resistance will be here at $0.0022, and slightly higher than this resistance. We have the target for the breakout from this channel. That is here at the top of the channel at $0.0027. And after that, we will have another quite long-term resistance here at $0.003. That has been previously working as a support here for several weeks. And now it can work as a strong resistance once again for the price line of Dent token. And after that, the next resistance will be here at $0.0044. That was previously working as a resistance here and support here. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Dent. By the way, the long-term technical target for the breakout from this Dent token, that move is still due, because you can see that previously it has been moving inside this wedge, and after the breakout from this wedge, the price then turned parabolic bullish. And after this very big rally, so far the price line is not able to hit the target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern. And that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 2.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.